Namaskar. Since 2 to 3 days we are discussing about reading, and to start with, I will like to suggest this book, that is Attitude is Everything, and I will strongly suggest this book because attitude does matter. Just like in present situation in COVID times, we all are stuck in this lockdown and getting isolated from others. So having all the sources, income sources of transportation facilities, or having all the comfort, we still are bound to get isolated from each other. It's because to keep you fit, keep you healthy, and not to get affected by COVID. But how much have this prevented you from thinking negative? How much are you stressed during this time is also a question to think about, because just getting isolated will not help you unless you keep yourself healthy with good diet, and make you strong with good thinking too. So those who are not working, those mothers who are not working, they are thinking in this situation about, like, this COVID has taken near about 2 years of our working life. So they are thinking, how are they going to start again? How are they going to earn money for family? How are they going to get those skill backs once again after they join? So these are the questions which are troubling you all. So to all those mothers, I first of all thank all you mothers, because you have supported your family till now. That's why you are survived through this period, through the past 1 year of COVID. So this period, COVID period, is the time of survival. I personally also felt the same in last year, and I have passed through many negative thinking and the consequences, repercussions of the same. Because negative thinking leads you nowhere, but it does takes you down, and with you, all family also get affected because of the negative thinking of one woman in the family. So it does matter how you think is more important today than your money. So whatever you can do, you do. You support your family. You feel you have me time for yourself. Get support. Ask for help from anybody who can support in the family, in-laws, parents. Keep talking with your friends. You can do all the things. You are not able to stay at home for just 1 year, but think of our mothers who used to stay, and who used to bring their children just staying home. You can see just staying home also is not a restful work. It's more stressful work than going outside, going to hospital and do the work. At home you have to handle many things: your children, your husband's duty hours, they're preparing for their meals. So you have done many things through this year, through these COVID years. So do not feel yourself guilty, or do not feel stressed about your work life. You have got many blessings, knowingly, unknowingly, from many people. Like, if your husband is COVID warrior, he is getting blessing from their patients, and in the same way you are getting the blessings because you are supporting him. That's why he can do and go out and do the job. So my request to all you mothers who are stressed and who are feeling discouraged, or who are feeling demotivated during this COVID time, because I think this may take 1 to 2 years more. So what is important is right now is not money, but your mental health. So please take care of your mental health. Think positive. Keep reading good books. Keep making good things. Prepare good things for your husband and for your children. This work is also important, and it is taking major. It is not taking major part of your life. It's just taking 2 to 3 years, which our mothers used to do for lifetime. So just try this bit also of yours. Just give a try to your skills of staying at home and supporting your family too, because in the end, what matters is your family, and you yourself taking your family care of taking care of your family is going to support you, and give you give you a feeling of worthy, worthiness. So to all the ladies who have supported their husbands and their family through this difficult area, and they are going to support in the next future, near future, thank you. And never think, if I have done this much to this person or these family members, what will I get in return? This is the attitude we are going to change through this by reading this book, because many a times we feel we have given so much to this family, or so much to this family member, or so much to this person, but I'm not getting the same return. It's the blessings which you get unknowingly from some persons. That's why you are here. You have achieved till this time many things which may not be a part of others' life. So take note down, keep a journal of good things which had happened with you till now. You and your family members are in good health till these 2 years is good, is also a fortune for some, is fortune for you, because somebody may have lost somebody in their near close relation. So this is the attitude we are going to discuss about, and also we are going to discuss about a givers and takers attitude. It's very well explained by Gaur Gopal Prabhuji in their videos. Um, my personal inspiration for reading and for changing my way of thinking is Jay Shetty, who is same age group as we are, young, and he has read so many books that inspired me a lot, because by default we are in takers attitude, we are always asking for something, want to have something, or have some, like shopping, you go binge watching, binge shopping, just to get that pleasure. But at the end of the day, somewhere you feel stressed, or low. Why is that? Because you don't develop giver's attitude, which you have to be developed. Going to move from taker's attitude to giver's attitude, because giving is a thing which nature do, and by giving we get more than by receiving the same things. So give your happiness, spread your happiness, and be happy. And thank you for watching this.